For centuries, humans have looked across the surface of the sea and wondered, what truly goes on in the mind of a dolphin? Their gentle eyes, their easy smiles, their uncanny ability to connect with us, all hint at something remarkable, something that feels almost familiar. Today, scientists are closer than ever to understanding how dolphins think, and what they've found is changing how we define intelligence itself. Part 1. The brain beneath the waves. Inside a dolphin's skull lies one of the largest brains in the animal kingdom, larger even, in proportion to body size, than our own. The folds of their cerebral cortex, the part that handles thought, memory, and emotion, are deep and complex, rivaling those of great apes. This complexity isn't random. It's the architecture of awareness, the foundation for problem-solving, empathy, and communication. A dolphin's brain has evolved not for brute strength, but for social strength to live, learn, and thrive within a community. Part 2. The language of whistles and clicks. Dolphins live in a world of sound. Light fades quickly beneath the waves, but sound travels far, so they've built an entire civilization around it. Through rapid clicks, dolphins see with their ears, a skill called echolocation. Each pulse of sound bounces off an object and returns a detailed image to their mind, the size, shape, even the heartbeat of what lies ahead. But their sounds aren't just for navigation. They communicate. Each dolphin has its own unique whistle, a kind of name, used to call out to friends and family across the vastness of the sea. Some scientists believe these whistles may even carry layers of meaning, like words in a sentence, a sophisticated language we are only beginning to decode. Part 3. Emotion, empathy, and play. If intelligence is measured by emotion, then dolphins score high. They form deep friendships, protect their young, and grieve for lost companions. They've been seen approaching injured animals, even humans, pushing them to the surface for air. And then there's play, the purest sign of a curious mind. Dolphins chase bubbles, surf the waves, and invent games with seaweed and shells. Play isn't just fun, it's learning. It builds coordination, communication, and trust within the pod. Each act of play is a small lesson in intelligence, proof that thinking and joy often swim side by side. Part 4. The human connection throughout history. Dolphins have approached us not as prey or predator, but as something closer to equals. Sailors wrote of them guiding ships through storms. Divers tell of wild dolphins surrounding them like guardians in the deep. Some researchers think dolphins recognize human body language, even our emotions. They seem drawn to kindness and quick to respond to distress. We may not speak their language, but perhaps, in moments of trust, they understand our hearts. Part 5. What dolphins teach us. The more we study them, the more we realize intelligence is not one shape, not one form, not one way of being. It can swim beneath the waves as easily as it walks upon the land. Dolphins remind us that compassion, communication, and joy are signs of wisdom, too, not just logic and words. Their world, though hidden from our eyes, reflects the best of what we are. In the gentle roll of the ocean, a pod of dolphins glides through golden light. Their whistles echo softly in the distance, a chorus of minds, ancient, playful, and free. To understand them is to remember, we are not alone in our intelligence. We share this planet with thinkers of the sea, the dolphins, whose wisdom is written not in books, but in waves.